Hey everyone, this is part 3 of getting on top of skidrow with no mods, shotgun jumping, so we're back here, and just trying to get up onto this little balcony. Friend's kind of filming. Thank you, Smurf. And so, we have a little type of fails. I would cut this out, it's just I don't have a capture card, so yeah. And so you'll get it. And you'll get up right here. And so you can basically just chest jump up if you want to. Doesn't really matter. Here's Syndrome. Just do it from right there. Hey, don't. Just do it from right there. You see my ass? Or whatever. Oh, fuck. So, yeah. That's another way how you can do it. And then you will put your tack down. Your teammate will kill you. Or kill him. Doesn't really matter. Then right here, what you want to do. Yeah, we're blue, kind of. Not really. So you want to do a little C strafe onto the dump. Oh fuck, I failed. I don't even know where I'm on right now. So I'll just die. Don't step on my tack. Okay, good. So he's on there. Now right there you can't really jump, but you have to keep on sidestepping until you can jump. Ugh, I keep on fucking failing. So he's back up there, so he can jump, so he'll sidestep, and he's up there. So. So it's right here. So you kind of just want to strafe over there. And then you can shotgun jump up right here. And you're on top of the map. And then you can just chest jump up. If you guys don't know what that is. Just basically going like that. That's it. So yeah, he's going to do the other two people. So I'll just explore. So enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Rate, comment, subscribe. Please, guys. I need subscribers, and I need like this channel to be popular, and like, so please like this video, please do like a whole bunch of stuff to make my channel better. So right here, you can just go over here. And basically, kind of right here, you're stuck because of this barrier. So yeah, you can. So I don't know what I'm on right now, but I'm on something. What the fuck? Oh, this is weird. And I'll die. So yeah, thanks for watching again, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. One more time. Jump inside this little thing. Death. And also go over here. Just, guys, this is actually like not that hard, but if you guys like get really frustrated about it, like just don't get frustrated about it, cause it took us a while. So yeah, and our clan is XAG, stands for Amateur Glitchers. The X is just there for fun. So yeah, guys, message me if you want into AG, but you gotta only message me if you're good at shotgun jumps. Okay. Alright, so now I gotta help this kid onto the balcony, so let's do that. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and peace.